down deep, just you and me. We're going on a journey under the sea. The fish are swimming, the dolphins play. The ocean's full of fun every day.
Do you want to learn how to create viral kids animated song videos using AI? In this video, I'll help solve that problem and show you step by step on how to do it. First, we need to head over to ChatGPT, and on here, you need to write in, provide me 10 topics for English kids song. It's going to type in the 10 topics, and then you can choose one of them. Let's say I choose this one, Under the Sea. I will type in, create lyrics for Under the Sea, and it's going to write a fun and simple set of lyrics for Under the Sea. And here it is. Now once it writes the lyrics, you have to type in again, create a simple prompts from the above lyrics for an animated kids song video. Now it's going to answer us the whole scenes step by step. The opening scene, the verse 1, chorus, verse 2, and all the way to the ending scene. These are the scripts that we need to put in onto our next tool that we need to use to make these type of animated videos. This tool is called Hailuo AI. This is a beta version. It's an AI text to video generator. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take one of these scripts like this, copy it, go into Hailuo AI, and before I write my script, I'm going to write in Disney Pixar movie, and then you can enter the movie here, the type of movie, so that you can copy the style of that movie. For that, if you are not sure what movie you want to copy, you can just go over here on Google, type in Disney Pixar movies, and you're going to see all the movies that they currently have released. Now let's say we want to copy this movie style, which is Turning Red. So we're going to take this, the name, the Turning Red, go inside a Hailuo AI, and here type in the Turning Red, here, animation style, and comma, and after that we're going to paste the first script, which is a bright and colorful underwater world appears, coral reefs, fish and bubbles fill the scene, this one. And now keep the enhance prompt on, and this is where you can upload a PNG file. If you already have created it with an AI image generator, then you can put the first scene's image here. Otherwise, just do this and use these 30 credits. The best part about Hailuo AI is that it's currently at a 3-day free trial. Every time you sign up on Hailuo AI, you're going to get a 3-day free trial. So you can take advantage of this. Just click on this generate button, and it's going to take in 30 credits. I already have generated a lot of these videos. So you can look at these. The intro part I showed in the beginning of this video was made using this. Now the one thing that you're going to face an issue with is after you have generated a few videos, it's going to put you on a wait list, like expected to wait for 19 minutes. It just says a number like 3,700 people ahead. But I think that it's their random number. It's not that, because the first 3 videos I was able to generate without any wait time. Now you can remove this wait time by just subscribing to one of their plans, like the standard or unlimited. The unlimited is very expensive, but the standard one is good enough. If you do get these credits, you can also opt for credits. These are the pricing plans for credits. But if you take these credits, they do not act the same as the plan. The plan, which is standard, has fast track generation, and it gives you 1,000 credits per month. Also gives you 100 credits for daily login. And you can also put 5 tasks in queue. Also removes the watermark. Now that you have generated the whole video, the script and everything, we need song for it. To generate the song, you can either use Suno AI or you can use Hailuo AI. These are 2 of these good AI video generators in the market right now. The Suno AI is good. It's much better than Hailuo AI, and you get 50 credits every day, which means that you can make 10 songs per day. So what you have to do is go inside your ChatGPT, the lyrics that you have created, these verse 1, like this, just copy the whole thing, go inside Suno, create, and inside the lyrics, I'm going to paste it here. Just make sure to include these verse 1, chorus, bridge, etc. inside these brackets. Now once you've done that, below it, style of music, we are going to write in kids nursery song. And under it, for the title, you can just name it anything. I'm just going to type in Under the Sea and create. Now it has created these two songs. Take a look.
Let's dive down deep, just you and me. We're going on a journey under the sea. Let's dive down deep, just you and me. We're going on a journey under the sea. The fish are swimming, the dolphins play. The ocean's full of fun every day. Under the sea, where the waters are blue, there's a world of wonder waiting for you.
Okay, I think you would agree that the second one is much better than the first one. Also, it's much less in runtime compared to the upper one, which is 4 minutes of runtime. We're going to take the second one, but let's go to Udio, and I'm going to write in create, I'm going to write in a kid's nursery song on the topic Under the Sea. And under this, let's choose the model Udio 130. And down here in the lyrics, we are not going to use auto-generated. We are going to write the lyrics. Just copy the whole thing and paste it here. Now below it in advanced features, we're not going to touch anything except for generation quality. We're going to move it from high to ultra. I found that it makes much better generations. Then once done, just click on this create button. Let's take a look at the first one.
Let's dive down deep, just you and me. We're going on a journey under the sea. The fish are swimming, the dolphins play. The ocean's full of fun every day. Under the sea, where the waters are blue, there's a world of wonder waiting for you. The crabs have danced and the turtles fly. Come on and take a magical ride.
Okay, it does sound much better than Suno, but if I played the whole music, there are some errors inside the music. That's why I think Suno has a much better quality compared to Udio. Now to edit the video and song together, you can use some of these video editing tools like FlexClip, which is an online video editor, or you can use CapCut, Premiere Pro, or DaVinci Resolve. In my opinion, I would suggest going with Premiere Pro or CapCut. The FlexClip also has an option of a lifetime deal, which is available on AppSumo, so you can get that as well. I'm going to put the link to all of these in the description so you can check them out. Let's just close all of these. Now I'm going to edit 5 to 10 seconds clip inside CapCut to show you how to do it so that you can do it yourself. So I'm just going to go on this Hailuo AI and click on this and download this clip. Just do it for all of these that you generate. And on Suno or Udio, whichever one you like, just go over here. On the right, you're going to find these 3 dots. Click it. It will create a drop down. And down here, you're going to find download. And on the left, you're going to see audio. Click it and it's going to download the song. There will be one issue if you have just generated the song. You will not have the option to download the audio, which is because it's still processing it. So you have to just let it play for a few seconds and then it will give you the option to download it. And on Udio, the same thing. On the right hand side, you're going to find these 3 dots. Then under it, you will find download. You can click on the drop down and then MP3 and download it from here. Now once you've got the files, open up CapCut and create a new project. Now click on import. Import all of them. Now first we are going to take the audio file and click on this plus icon, or you can just drag this and put it into the track timeline. So this is where the lyrics start. So I'm going to put that first scene, drag and drop it onto this layer, which is the video layer. And this is a very small clip. So what we are going to do is you can copy this by Control C and Control V and then paste it next to it. Now this one, if you play it through it, is going to repeat like this, which is not what we want. So you can either click on the second clip and reverse it, which is going to play like this, or you can generate multiple videos here for the same clip. and then put them next to each other. Or a third option would be to select the first clip and go into speed. And down here in times, we will reduce it to 0.5x. Now you will see this option, smooth slow-mo. We're going to check this, and under it, we're going to see a frame blending. Click on this. It's going to give you a drop down. Select optical flow. This is much better than frame blending. It does not have that choppy playback time. It's going to process the clip, and the smooth slow-mo is applied. So instead of the clip being 6 seconds, we have got it extended to 12 seconds. Now after this, just put the second video clip like this. Do the same thing. Make it 0.5x, smooth slow-mo, and then make it optical flow. Then the third clip, same thing. And then you can keep doing this to edit the full video. And after you are done, just click on export on the top right corner. And in export, just choose the title. This is the same title as your project title, so you can change it from here first. Now go into export and the title will be changed, or you can edit it here as well. Export to the location, which you can select from here. Only select video exporting. Don't do export to audio. We don't need that. So just do video exporting, and in resolution, you can choose 4K, 2K or 100p. Bitrate, keep it recommended. These are all fine, and just click on export. And that's it. This is how you can create these type of viral AI kids song videos. Did this video help solve your problem? Let me know with a like and comment.